There's a quiet pain we carry, a memory, a betrayal, harsh words we never deserved, and sometimes the hardest thing we'll ever do is let go. But what if I told you forgiveness isn't something we give to others, it's something we give to ourselves? Today, let's explore the power of forgiveness through the lens of Buddhist wisdom. Because in learning to forgive, we learn to be free. The Buddha once said, holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. In Buddhism, forgiveness is not a moral obligation. It's a path to liberation. It's deeply connected to compassion, non-attachment, and the understanding of suffering. When we forgive, we're not excusing the harm done. We're simply choosing to stop suffering from it again and again. Forgiveness is not weakness. It is the courage to release the poison we've been drinking. In one of the Buddha's past lives, as told in the Jataka Tales, he was born as a kind-hearted prince named Mahosada. He was wise beyond his years and known for his deep sense of justice and compassion. One day, a rival king plotted against Mahosada, trying to destroy him through deceit and betrayal. The prince discovered the plan but chose not to retaliate. Instead of punishing the traitor, he offered him kindness and forgiveness. When questioned why he let the enemy go free, Prince Mahosada said, "If I return harm for harm, how am I different from those who live in hatred? But if I respond with compassion, I plant the seeds of peace, even in the heart of an enemy." This story reminds us that forgiveness is not about what others deserve. It's about who we choose to be. Even when we are betrayed, we can respond from wisdom, not from fear. Even when we are hurt, we can choose to stay soft, not bitter. True strength isn't shown through revenge. It's shown through the courage to forgive and move on in peace. Forgiveness doesn't mean we forget what happened. It doesn't mean we pretend the pain wasn't real. True forgiveness is the inner decision to let go of resentment, hatred, and the desire for revenge. It is choosing peace over punishment, freedom over suffering. Sometimes we think forgiveness is a gift for the one who wronged us. But in truth, it's the greatest gift we can give ourselves. When we forgive, we lighten our emotional load. Studies, even outside Buddhist tradition, have shown that forgiveness reduces stress, anxiety, and even physical pain. It softens the heart, improves relationships, and clears the mind. Our thoughts become less reactive, our hearts become more open, and we begin to live more fully in the present moment, unburdened by the weight of the past. So how do we begin? 1. Start with mindfulness. Sit quietly, breathe deeply. Acknowledge your pain, not to relive it, but to witness it with compassion. 2. Practice loving kindness, metta. In meditation, silently repeat, "May I be happy. May I be free from suffering." Then extend this wish, slowly, even to the one who hurt you. May you be happy. May you be free from suffering. It may feel unnatural at first. That's okay. Forgiveness is a process, not a performance. 3. Journal your feelings. Write out what you're holding on to. Ask yourself, what is this anger protecting? What am I afraid to let go of? 4. Reflect on common humanity. Remember, we all suffer, we all make mistakes, and sometimes those who hurt us are lost in their own pain. Forgiveness does not require reconciliation. It simply asks us to soften the grip of hate. Forgiveness is not easy, but it is powerful. When we choose forgiveness, we are no longer victims of the past. We become architects of our own peace. The Buddha taught that liberation is possible for anyone, and forgiveness is one of the keys to that freedom. So ask yourself now, what are you still holding on to? And what would your life feel like if you could let it go? Breathe, Feel the weight lift, if only a little. This is the beginning. If this message touched your heart, consider subscribing for more teachings rooted in Buddhist wisdom. And remember, you are not your pain. You are the space that can hold it, and then release it. May you be free. May you be at peace.